Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do our Christmas savings challenges, and we're also going to do our NFL make your picks savings challenge from Beige and Girl Budgets, Kimmy's Budgets on Etsy. So I didn't film the first one, but these were my picks. I got 9 correct and 7 wrong, and I decided to make my right picks $1, wrong picks $2. So for week 1, we will have saved $23. And we will go ahead and put this in the game book section. And I don't follow football at all, so I waited for Kimmy to post her video on all of the winners. And then for week 2, these are my picks. And then I'll wait for Kimmy's video next week to see how I did. So that is going to be an amazing savings, and I can't wait to finish that. Put that off to the side. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do our Norellis Budgets Christmas Savings Challenge. I have $25 this week. I have decided that I can slow down a little bit on this, so we're going to do $25 a week instead of $50 a week. And once we finish all of our challenges in here, we're going to be pretty good for what I want to budget for Christmas. And last time I decided to finish up our $3 challenges. So now we're just working on our $2 and our $1 challenge. So today I have 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $25. I'm going to finish up, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, let's do 20 in this one, and then we'll put $5 in the $1. So that is going to be 10 icons. So we'll color those in. All right, so that's our 10. That's going to be $20. So 5, 10, 10, 15, and 20. This page will have saved us $60 when we are done. This next one is 40 and then 32. So we're just going to put this back in here. And this front page, we're going to do 5 little stars. All right, and we just have 4 to go to finish that page, and that will have saved us $25. Then I have one more page of 20 icons for our $1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this is also available on her coffee shop. That way, and it's totally for free, so you don't have to worry about that at all. So here is going to be our Christmas binder. I have, let's see what we have. I think it was 127, but we'll double check it. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 127. We are going to do our randomizer, and I have about, I think I have 8 challenges in here total, but we're not going to do all 8. We're just going to do 6 of them. So I'm going to get my dice tower out. And we'll go ahead and I think we'll roll 3 die at one time. So we got a I feel like that's not going to be enough, but I guess we'll see. I can't sit here. All right, let's just add it up real quick, see if we need to. Okay, yeah, that is only... Alright. Alright, that's only $57, so we're gonna go ahead and do 3 more. Next time, we probably won't have as much to play with, so... 4.
Whatever challenge number 2 is giving me a ton of money. Look at that. 3, 4 sixes. Wild. Oops. Alright, and last one. We got 6, 3, 3.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got. Put these in a little bit of a order. So I have... Alright, so challenge number 1 is... Alright, so we have this first challenge here from Buttercup Budgets. I already pre-rolled everything, so we'll see. We got a 3 and a 2. That's a 5. Perfect. And then 10. So we got 3 and a 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're just going to do it. Finish that off. And we have one more roll and save that is not necessary, but if we can come back to it, we will. So number 1 is done. Let's see. Oh, number 2 is this one. Let's see. We got 6, 6, 2, 6, 6, and 4. And there's only one more left to finish that. Let's use our calculator to figure out how much that needs to be. That's $30. Crazy that is going to be that right now. And then challenge number 3 is this challenge here from Buttercup Budgets. And let's see, total. We have 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 18. So I think we only, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. I can't count, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. It's almost. All right, let's see. We can put $2 back and grab a 20. So this one just needs $5 to be finished. I'm just going to leave them out until we're done with the cards to see what we have left. And this one is from Budget with Amanda. And I have made each of these icons $2 each. So let's see what we have. 10 plus 6 plus 5 is 21. It's almost done too. So we have 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 21. All right, so that one is 10, 15, 20, 21. And these first few are definitely going to Christmas. Last week we finished a lot of them. So, all right, this one is a, let's see, oh, 5. I did not put in number 5 because that is a scratcher for not Christmas. Oh my goodness, get back in there. And if we have money, we'll scratch those off and we'll see where those are at. So honestly, this one is a little Chihuahua challenge. This one is from my Etsy store. Let's see. Let's just go. It was $18. Do we have $18? Yes. Okay. So let's go with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, and 18. So that one is almost done. That one just needs $3, $4, $5 to be finished. So we got $2. And we're gonna do a 5, 10, 15, and 20. So far, this challenge has saved us 25, 35, 45, 50. So that one is done. I don't think I'm going to come back to this one, but we'll leave it out just in case. And then number 7 is this one from Budgeting with Carly. I think what I want to do before we finish this one, I'm going to cheat a little bit because this one is not for Christmas. I'm going to finish a couple of these Christmas ones. So let's go ahead. We'll do 4. That way these 2 can be done, and then that can go to Christmas. Let's go. We had $1. Put in 5. So total, these 2 challenges have saved us. And this one, if I didn't say before, it is from Budgeting with Lisa. And everybody will be tagged down below, so you can go give them some support. So these 2 roll and saves saved us 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, and $82. That is awesome. $82 closer to Christmas. Let's see. And then this one just needed 2, 4, $5. So let's go ahead and give that one 5, and we're going to finish it because these are specifically going to Christmas. So this should have saved us 32. So let's count it up and see. We have 10, 20, 25, 30, 1, and 2. Perfect. I'm not even going to bother paper clipping those because they're going straight into my Christmas sinking fund. And I don't remember how much this was. Stand by. 20, 40, 60, 82. Okay. All right. And then, all right, number 4 just needed $3. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm probably going to finish my Chihuahua challenge because I'm not going to come back into this book for a while. So I would like to clear out what I can. So this is 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm so excited that I am slowly but surely chucking away at Christmas. And we are so close to being done. Where did this come from? Oh, from that one. Okay. Losing it. I'm losing it. So I know we do have... This one is done. Let's go ahead. We have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, and 27. Okay, I have 27 for some reason, but that's okay. And if I need to do this one, I'm just going to put it in my mini Mondays. Okay, we got that one and that one. And I think we do have one more challenge in there. But that one is fine. That one isn't not anywhere near being done. So let's go ahead and finish this scratcher from Eva at Budget Your Life. I got this free in an order that I placed. I don't know how much it's going to save us. We got 5 and 4. So that's $9. Let's see, do we have a 1? We do, perfect. And not another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like this saved us $30. So we have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. This one is not marked for anything, so it's just going to go in our completed savings challenges, and I will paperclip this one. Okay, let's see. We have $5 to finish this one or no? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We only have $4. Oh, so sad. Okay, I'm gonna put. We'll put $4 into here. All right, so out of 75, this one has saved us so far 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $21. So that one's going to be a little bit before we finish it, but we will go ahead and move those off camera. All right, you guys, so I have my $1 4-hour finished savings challenges. Let me see where my little, there it is. And then we will go ahead and add our shark. I apologize if you can hear my dog barking. Look at these. So far, we have saved quite a few savings challenges, and it is only the 11th of September, so that is awesome. And then I will put these straight into Christmas, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.